Natto, one of the healthiest yet scariest foods that I highly recommend you at least give a try. Seriously. Now these are fermented soybeans that are super common in Japan and are jam-packed with healthy bacteria, vitamins, and proteins. Now, the unfortunate truth is that many people take one look at natto and say, "You want me to eat that?" However, as natto is so good for you, I've made it my special duty to present to you one of my favorite and most simple recipes that includes natto, a natto omelet, breakfast of champions, for those of you who are brave enough to try it. Shall we get started? First, simply start the process of making a regular omelet. For me, I'm going to use 3 eggs. You can use however many you want. Next, I like to add in some milk for creaminess. You can use whatever type you prefer. Then I add some salt, pepper, and some turmeric, and I think I have my base here. Now that the eggs are ready, the next step will be to prepare the rest of the ingredients for when the omelet is ready for the big flip, as we will be quickly adding these ingredients into the omelet for the final fold, as we don't actually want to cook the natto with the egg, as it will lose the beneficial bacteria when exposed to heat. To prepare the natto, the fun part, open it up, remove the plastic, and mix it up really well until you see all this lovely, nutritious slime building up here. Look at that nice, sticky natto. Now, as some additional bonuses here, I recommend preparing a sheet of nori, some dry roasted seaweed, and some chopped avocado out to lay inside the omelet as well when it's ready for the big flip. And once all the ingredients are prepared, all you have to do is begin cooking the omelet until it reaches the point of being ready for the final fold over. Now, here's my omelet ready to add in all our fillers, and hopefully I can actually fold this. So first, we're going to add in our nori, and then the fun part, we'll spread in our natto nice and even to try to cover as much surface area as we can of the omelet. Then we're going to add in some sliced avocado, and here it comes, the big flip. Wish me luck. So there you have it, a nice, tasty, nutritious natto omelet. Now this personally is one of my favorite ways to eat natto. I just find that the creaminess of the natto mixed with the creaminess of the egg is almost like a nice cheesiness, and in an omelet, that's always a good thing. Now keep in mind that I didn't actually like natto the first time I ate it, or the second time I tried it either. But after learning about the health benefits, I kept at it, and now I love it. Now if you wish to learn more about the health benefits of natto and see this recipe in written form, then please see the link below. And do me a favor, if you're brave enough to try this recipe out, let me know what you thought. You don't have to like it, I'm just curious. Did you find it good? Did you find it disgusting? Did you even try it? And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more recipes like this or discover more about natto when I'm actually in Japan, then hit that like button, comment, subscribe. I'd appreciate it. So with that said, I'll see you in the next video, and I'm about to dive into this beautiful natto omelet. And looking over with the dog. All right, hopefully this works.